Good day, financial enthusiasts. Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your trusted guide to all things finance and real estate. We're here to enlighten your journey through the labyrinth of financial decisions, offering insights that could be your ladder to financial freedom. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a novice looking to dip your toes in real estate, HouseLux Estate is your beacon in the foggy world of finance. Today, we delve into the world of financial apps, exploring the best ones to use in 2025. Financial apps have revolutionized how we manage our money. They offer convenience, security, and a wealth of information at our fingertips. In today's digital age, these apps are more than just handy tools. They are essential for keeping up with our fast-paced lives. They allow us to track our spending, save for future goals, and even invest in stock markets, all from the palm of our hand. Imagine being able to check your bank balance while you're sipping coffee at a cafe, or transferring money to a friend in the middle of a bustling city street. With a financial app, these tasks become as simple as tapping a few buttons. The benefits of these apps go beyond convenience. They offer insights into our spending habits, helping us make informed decisions and achieve our financial goals. So, are you ready to take control of your finances? Now, let's explore the top financial apps that you should have on your device this year. First on our list is Mint. Mint is a financial app that has revolutionized the way we manage personal finances. A unique blend of budgeting, bill tracking, and credit score tools, Mint has made it possible for anyone to take control of their financial health, all from the convenience of their smartphone. What sets Mint apart is its comprehensive approach to financial management. It's not just about budgeting or tracking expenses, it's about understanding your entire financial picture. With Mint, you can connect all your accounts, from bank accounts and credit cards to loans and investments. This gives you a complete overview of your finances in one place, making it easier to make informed decisions. One of the standout features of Mint is its budgeting tool. It's designed to be simple yet effective, allowing you to create budgets based on your income and expenses. Plus, Mint's smart technology will even provide personalized suggestions for where you could cut back to save more. But that's not all. Mint also provides bill tracking services. It alerts you when bills are due, so you never have to worry about missing a payment. And if you're interested in improving your credit score, Mint has got you covered. It provides regular credit score updates along with tips on how to improve it. What's truly impressive about Mint is its intuitive interface. It's user-friendly, making it a breeze to navigate through the app. And the best part? It's free to use. Of course, there are premium features available for a small fee, but the basic functionality is more than enough for most users. Mint isn't just a financial app. It's a tool that empowers you to take charge of your financial health. It gives you the knowledge and resources you need to make smart financial decisions. Whether you're trying to save for a big purchase, pay off debt, or simply want to keep a closer eye on your spending, Mint can help. Mint truly is a game changer, making personal finance management a breeze. Next up is Money Master. This financial app has been making waves in the financial technology sector since its inception, and for good reason. Money Master is not just an app, it's a comprehensive financial toolkit designed to equip users with the necessary tools to manage and grow their wealth. The app's features are numerous and diverse. At its core, Money Master is a budgeting tool. It allows users to set monthly budgets for different spending categories, tracking every penny so that you can see where your money is going. But Money Master doesn't stop there. It also includes an investment feature, which lets you build and manage a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and ETFs right from your smartphone. One of the unique selling points of Money Master is its machine learning algorithm. The app learns from your spending habits, offering personalized financial advice to help you save more and spend smarter. It also sends alerts if you're about to overspend in a certain category, helping you stay on track with your financial goals. But what truly sets Money Master apart is its commitment to financial education. The app includes a library of articles and tutorials on various financial topics, from investing basics to advanced tax strategies. These resources can help users improve their financial literacy, enabling them to make informed financial decisions. Money Master also prioritizes security. The app uses bank-level encryption to protect your data, ensuring that your financial information stays safe and secure. Finally, let's talk about the user experience. Money Master has a clean, intuitive interface that makes navigating the app a breeze. And if you ever run into any issues, Money Master's customer support team is available 24/7 to help you out. With Money Master, keeping track of your finances has never been easier. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting on your financial journey, Money Master is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your financial health. So why wait? Start mastering your money today with Money Master. Last but not least, we have Budget Master. Now Budget Master is not just another financial app on the block, it's a game changer in the world of personal finance. What sets Budget Master apart is its comprehensive approach to managing your money. It's not just about tracking your expenses or just about building a budget, it's about giving you a 360-degree view of your financial life. It lets you track income, expenses, savings, investments, and even debts all in one place. Imagine having a bird's eye view of your finances, where you can see everything from your daily espresso to your retirement fund. That's the power of Budget Master. It gives you the clarity to make informed financial decisions. But it's not just about the numbers. Budget Master also gives you the tools to plan for the future. Want to save for a vacation, buy a house, retire early? Budget Master helps you set financial goals and creates a personalized plan to achieve them. It even adjusts your plan as your life changes, ensuring you're always on track to meet your goals. And the best part, all this power comes with simplicity. Budget Master's intuitive design makes it easy for anyone to use. You don't need to be a financial whiz to understand your money. Budget Master does the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on what matters most, living your life. You might be thinking, that's great, but how secure is it? Well, Budget Master takes security seriously. It uses bank-level encryption to protect your data, and it never sells your information. You can trust that your financial data is safe with Budget Master. Why is Budget Master a must-have? Because it's more than just an app. It's a financial advisor, a budget planner, and a financial tracker rolled into one. It empowers you to take control of your money, so you can live the life you want. Budget Master is sure to elevate your financial game. There you have it, the top financial apps to use in 2025. We've delved into the unique features of each, from the robust budgeting tools of AppHash1, the seamless investment opportunities offered by AppHash2, to the comprehensive financial planning of AppHash3. Harnessing these tools can truly elevate your financial game. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more financial and real estate insights. Stay financially savvy.